Welcome to our video on why online dating doesn't work. With the rise of dating apps and websites, it's easier than ever to find potential partners. However, the reality is that online dating doesn't work for everyone. In fact, many people are left feeling disappointed and frustrated with the process. So why is that? In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this phenomenon and offer some tips on how to navigate the online dating world successfully. Dating has changed a lot over the years. With the rise of technology, we have more ways than ever to meet potential partners. Online dating has become increasingly popular, with millions of people using dating apps and websites to find love. However, despite the promises of algorithms and matching technology, online dating doesn't work for everyone. In fact, research suggests that around 80% of online daters don't find a lasting relationship. So why is online dating so challenging? One reason is the swipe culture that has emerged in recent years. With dating apps like Tinder and Bumble, it's easy to swipe through potential matches quickly. However, this can lead to a superficial approach to dating, where we judge people based on their looks rather than their personality. This can make it challenging to form meaningful connections and can lead to feelings of disappointment and frustration. Another issue with online dating is that people often misrepresent themselves. They may use outdated or edited photos, or they may exaggerate their interests or accomplishments. This can lead to unrealistic expectations and disappointment when we meet them in person. In addition, online dating can be time-consuming and emotionally draining. We may spend hours swiping through profiles, only to be left feeling unfulfilled. So what can we do to make online dating work for us? Firstly, we need to be aware of the limitations of the process. We need to approach online dating with realistic expectations and be prepared for rejection. It's also essential to be honest and authentic in our profiles and to take the time to get to know people before meeting in person. Finally, we need to remember that online dating is just one way to meet potential partners. We should also explore other avenues, such as social events and activities. Thank you for watching this video on why online dating doesn't work. We hope you found it informative and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on relationships and dating.